In this video, we're gonna go over how I can travel for multiple weeks with just one backpack. This includes everything from clothing to gear that I use as a content creator. And first, I'm gonna pack my clothing. This can range from hiking gear to streetwear depending on what the trip is. And with this compression pack, it makes packing a breeze. And it fits perfectly in this backpack compartment. This leaves plenty of room for extra items like toiletries, shoes, or a sling for daily outings. If you need a bit more space, you can also unzip and expand the bag to bring additional items. But remember, less is more. With rising luggage prices, every space and every inch counts in your bag. So packing efficiently is the key. What's great about this backpack is that it's comfortable to wear and has these side handles if it gets a little too heavy on your back. It's also within the size guidelines for most personal item airline restrictions. Now, as a creator or a digital nomad, you're gonna still need plenty of space to keep working on the go. In this padded laptop section, you can fit a MacBook Pro 16-inch easily. It's also easily accessible while going through TSA. There are also multiple pockets where you can store your charger, a power bank, a planner, and your headphones. Now, instead of carrying bulky and expensive camera gear, all you really need is your iPhone and a few external lenses and filters. This is going to give you a lot of creative freedom. For lenses, these pouches will keep them safely secured and easily accessible. Filters can be stored either below the lenses or in the small filter pouch in the front. Both spots are easy and quick to access. You can also use these compartments to store your wallet, your iPhone, AirPods, or any other small essentials that you need on your trip. Since I solo travel a lot, I also bring a carbon fiber tripod, which is low profile and lightweight. It easily fits on the side while expanding to fit anything larger than a water bottle. Speaking of water bottles, I bring a small one with me to avoid paying those inflated airport prices. Of course, just make sure it's empty and then you can fill it up once you get through TSA. Lastly, the front compartments are great for storing any extra gear you may have, whether it's charging equipment, power banks, hard drives, or any other personal item. Ultimately, packing is about bringing only what you need. But with this backpack, you can bring what you want if you plan properly. Did I miss any travel essentials? Let me know down in the comments below what you never leave home without.